how to play Bullet Echo on PC. So if you want to play Bullet Echo on PC, then first you need to have an emulator. So for example, you can simply go for your browser and you can search for BlueStacks, and you need to download this BlueStacks. So go for the www.bluestacks.com and you can download it on your PC or your laptop. Once you've downloaded, you can search for BlueStacks and you will have the application, right? So you just need to open up your BlueStacks, and now here on the search, you need to search for Bullet Echo. If you don't find right here, so here you will have your Bullet Echo application, right? So you can simply click on it and then you can install, or if you don't find it right here, then you can go for Open Google Play app, and then you can log in with your Google Play Store, and here you will have the application, right? So you just need to simply go for install, which is here on the right side, and then you can install the application and you can play Bullet Echo. So that's how you can play, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.